Start with the green minute volume. Before transfer, estimate how much oxygen your patient will need. As a rule of thumb, take twice as much oxygen as you expect to use. For example, if a CT trip may take 1 hour, prepare oxygen for 2 hours. Before leaving the unit, connect the patient to the transport ventilator and allow enough time for the observations to stabilize. During this time, check the minute volume on the ventilator screen. Once you know the usual minute volume and the set FiO2, use the lower table to find the oxygen consumption. In this example, the minute volume is up to 5 liters per minute, and FiO2 is 70%. The table gives an oxygen use of 3.1 liters per minute. Now move to the upper table. There is no 3.1 column, so always round up. Use the 4 liters per minute column. A full CD cylinder gives 115 minutes, so it will not safely cover 2 hours. Choose at least an E cylinder. If the minute volume is higher, move to the next safer column. For exact calculations, use the formula on the right. Remember, FiO2 must be entered as a decimal. For example, 30% becomes 0.3. These values are only a guide. Leaks, NIV, delays, or higher minute volumes will increase oxygen use. As my grandmother used to say, it is better to carry extra than to run short.